everybody out there on YouTube. So today I'm gonna do start to beginning, beginning to end on how my day goes. You gotta excuse me, I'm just waking up. Been a little bit of a rough night, you know, I couldn't really sleep much last night, but I'm up now. We're gonna get the day started. I'm gonna just show you guys, you know, what I do on a day-to-day basis from driving, waking up. I drove last night. I started driving probably about 2 in the afternoon, you know, 2 or 3 in the afternoon to about 1 or 2 last night. So what time is it? Let's see, what time is it? Where's my phone? 7:40 a.m. So I guess I'm Central Time, but no one loves me. Got no missed calls, no text messages. I guess I'm alone. But let's get the day started. Up now. I always wake up not knowing where the hell I'm at. So in Alabama, my partner's driving, so I'm just waking up, getting the day started. So today I'm just gonna be showing you from beginning to the end on what I do on a day-to-day basis. So look at my Google Maps. Because when I wake up, I don't know where I'm at. So I wake up in a different state, most likely every morning and shit. So Alabama, headed to Pennsylvania. Yeah, so got a little ways to go. 15 hours away, which is about 840 miles. What do you think we do all day? First, we drive, ride, and drive. Then we might, you know, take pictures and count the snacks. Listen to music.
Let me. And I promise I won't leave a drop.
That nigga nasty as hell.
This is just the appetizer. By the time I reach dessert, a climb.
Burn up some AT&T data and get these miles. Alright, so we are at Walmart. Alright, about to go in here and get some stuff. 30 degrees. Those truck stops be killing us, man. Let me make sure I lock the door. We all locked. But yeah, stopping to truck stops every day. You know, like yesterday I paid like $8 for some bitty ass chicken fingers and some curly fries. That was it. Like, I'm in Alabama, so when I'm pushing the buggy, I don't even know what I want. Every time I come here, it'd be mainly about snacks because I'm not a big canned food eater. So there's nothing really for me to eat. So
This love so tasty. I'm talking my jelly and your pastry. See, baby, I got every need, every want, every craving you seek. I'll be going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper until lemons taste sweet. This is all you can eat, from steak to sorbet.
It is time to eat. I think we in Virginia. I'm about to eat some Popeyes. We had a Petro. So, I hate the dough. So I'm about to grab something to eat. Got about 3 more hours left on my drive shift, but delivery ain't due until 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, so you know, we'll find some way to shut it down for the night. But all right guys, finally made it to Pennsylvania. It's snowing here. Came from Texas where it was nice and sunny to dry roads to where it's, you know, cold and icy roads out. But I'm at a Love's, just took a shower, about to shut it down here for the night. Don't drop off to the receiver until 12 p.m. tomorrow, so I'll be, you know, shutting down here for the night. But thank you guys for watching my videos. That's what I do. That's what I do every day. So this ends my day today. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Like, comment, always positive comment, and until next time, see you in the next video.